Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with a Happy Mail unboxing from Michele. She was so sweet and sent this to me while I was on vacation, and I sent her a thank you note, but I hadn't had a chance to actually go through anything, so I really don't know what's in here. And I mean, it's been sitting in my house for 2 weeks, so it's not that I didn't appreciate that she sent it to me. It's just that life's wild. Life is wild. So she included some really cute packaging tissue. Oh my gosh, there's so much going on in here. So let's see. She loves to include these cute little organza baggies. I love them, and I reuse them as gifts. Let's see what's going on here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is a Labradorite Rose. Oh my god, look at that. And it's shocking because I swear I am not making this up. Last night I was like, I wish I had a really pretty Labradorite pendant, because I got some before I went on vacation, Julie and I went to an antique store and I bought a Labradorite necklace that I want to redo. And last night, and I'm not even kidding you, this box has been sitting in my house for 2 weeks. I said, I wish I had a Labradorite pendant that I thought was really gorgeous. And hello, before I even went through my stash, one pops up in my face. Michele, you are a mind reader. Look at this thing. It is gorgeous. Thank you. That is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And this is the first thing that pops out of the box. And then we have some Czech Flowers. Let's see what's going on here. I have never seen these before. Oh my gosh, they're heavy. Michele, thank you. Orange, they're gorgeous. They look like little sunflowers. Oh, I love them. Thank you, Michele. Oh my goodness. We all know I love, love, love flowers. They don't love me so much because of bees and allergies, but I love looking at them. Oh my goodness. And then we've got some red Picasso table cut hibiscus flowers. Oh my goodness, those are such a rich red. Thank you, Michele. Oh my goodness, I'm still flabbergasted from that pendant. Oh, it's so pretty. So we've got, what do we see here? It's got a couple labels fell off on the other ones. All right, so Czech leaves. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, they're half green, half blue. And with a beautiful AB. Those are gorgeous. Oh, we got a silver. Oh my gosh, those are beautiful. Thank you. I just love nature-inspired beads and things like that. This says Hearts Large Pave Lobster Clasp. So I'm seeing that out of the corner of my eye, so that must be what this is. So let's go in here. She knows I love hearts. Oh my gosh, those are cute. These would look really cute with some letter beads. Those are adorable. And then we've got some acrylic pony style beads. Those are cute. Those are cute. And then look at these beautiful pave clasps. Those are definitely like a showstopper. Beautiful. Thank you, Michele. Those are so sweet. I love those. Gorgeous. Let's see. Jade flower pendant. Ooh. Oh my. I was blown away by this one, but they're both just so gorgeous, and they're both beautiful roses. I love it. Oh my gosh, it almost looks like moss agate, but it's labeled as jade, and it doesn't quite look like moss agate or tree agate. I can never tell the difference. I think this would be moss, but it's gorgeous. Look how carved and beautiful that is, and it's cold. I love that. So pretty, so detailed. Oh my gosh, I love that. It's huge. I love it. What's in here? Oh my gosh, this is cute. That's super cute. I love it. Thank you. Love that. And we've got vintage bead soup. You guys know I love some bead soup. Oh, these are cute. They're like metal striped, well, not metal, but metallic painted beads. in all sorts of different colors. This would be really cool for a bead soup necklace. Oh, look at this guy. That is neat. Oh my gosh, that would be really cool. I feel like this would make a very like nice, bright, beachy necklace if I did like multi-strand and just strung all those beads with some bright like magnesite or Czech glass. That would be really pretty. Gorgeous. Gosh, there's so much going on in here. And then we have like a little mix. Oh, more of those little barrels that were in the last mix. And some little acrylic leaves. And then these guys are neat. They kind of, I don't know what they are, but I mean, they're acrylic, but they kind of look like, almost like a water bottle or something. Isn't that cool? And then we've got some acrylic little bicones. I love the metallic and like AB on them. It's a cute little mix. Thanks, Michele. Then we've got another mystery item here. Oh, 2 mystery items. Oh, wow. Look at that. It's a little druzy, and we've got a bead stuck in the druzy. That's kind of cool. I actually really like that. It's like a little seed bead, little glass seed bead stuck in the druzy. And then it's a beautiful green, and it's a connector, so I could hang something below it. That is really pretty. Thank you. Thank you, Michele. And then what do we have here? Another druzy. Okay, so this one's more of a pendant than a connector, and it goes sideways. This is really cool. I love it. You know, I love any type of stone pendant. Thank you. Those are beautiful. Then she wrote, not sure on these. Let's see if we can figure it out. Well, this one's glass. That's glass. This is a stone. Almost looks like, you know, gravel, but it is drilled. There's a really cool. So these are stone, probably some kind of quartz. This is glass, 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 carnelian, glass, stone, glass, stone. My best guess is like quartz for these, and I don't know, like that one, or that this is carnelian, but these are glass. Probably vintage, probably Indonesian or Indian, like the country. So interesting. Cool little mix though. They look really good together. Oh my gosh. And then there's some items from the bead chest in here. You know that's one of my favorite places. These are large bead caps. I love these, using these on memory wire bracelets. I love using these large bead caps. These are really fun. So pretty, so detailed. And then there are some coin lentil beads, not coins, but lentils. And then we've got a different kind of bead cap. That's really cool. That's nice for like a multi-strand necklace. And then we've got a domed one. So nice little mix here. Thank you, Michele. And then we've got 2 little packages, little bead burritos from, well, one says the bead chest. Oh yeah, both of them say the bead chest on them, but oh my goodness, a bright yellow strand of white heart beads. Oh my gosh, I don't have this. Might have this color, but I don't have this size, and they're gorgeous. This is such a pretty yellow. Michele, thank you so much. Those are so gorgeous. And then, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys know I've been on the hunt for black beads like this, and she sent me some from the bead chest. Thank you so much. These are going to go in my living room. I use them in displays in my living room. My living room's like grays and natural wood and white and black and some turquoise. But oh my gosh, thank you so much, Michele. That's so sweet of you. Oh my gosh. Okay, so my favorite items are these, these, these two, because oh my gosh, just look at them. And I can't believe last night it was like, oh, I wish I had a Labradorite pendant. Thank you, Michelle. And then of course these beautiful orange flowers. But I loved everything. I really appreciate you. Let me know what your favorite was. If you're watching, please like, subscribe, and share. And if you're on Facebook, check out my Facebook group, Brittany's Beads, and then stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. You are a mess. She's been begging because she knows it's dinner time, but I'm not ready to make dinner yet. So for the last half hour, she's been pouting, and then she got up and is trying to nudge me into making dinner. See? Look at those eyes. She's begging. Hi, Goldie. It's a standoff.